Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn the difference between counseling psychology and health psychology. Counseling psychology and health psychology are both subfields of psychology, but they have different areas of focus and goals. Counseling psychology. Number 1, focus. Counseling psychology primarily concentrates on helping individuals and groups with emotional, personal, social, and interpersonal issues. It emphasizes improving mental well being, coping with life challenges, and fostering personal growth and development. Number 2, clients. Counseling psychologists often work with clients who are dealing with everyday life stressors, relationship issues, career transitions, academic challenges, and other common psychological difficulties. Number 3, therapeutic approach. The therapeutic approach in counseling psychology is usually more short term and solution focused. The aim is to provide support and practical strategies to address immediate concerns. Number 4, setting. Counseling psychologists typically work in a variety of settings, including private practice, counseling centers, schools, and community mental health facilities. Health psychology. Number 1, focus. Health psychology focuses on the intersection of psychology and physical health. It explores how psychological factors influence overall health, illness, and healthcare behaviors. Number 2, clients. Health psychologists often work with individuals who have chronic illness, chronic pain, terminal conditions, or those trying to adopt healthier behaviors. Number 3, therapeutic approach. Health psychology interventions are geared toward promoting healthy behaviors, enhance adherence to medical treatments, and improving overall quality of life related to health issues. Number 4, setting. Health psychologists can be found in hospitals, medical clinics, public health organizations, rehabilitation centers, and research institutions. Summary. In summary, counseling psychology is concerned with emotional and interpersonal difficulties, offering short-term support and guidance to help clients to cope with life's challenges. On the other hand, health psychology delves into the relationship between psychological factors and physical health, aiming to promote healthy behavior and improve the well-being of individuals with medical conditions. Both fields are vital in promoting overall mental and physical health, but they have distinct areas of focus and application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.